You won't believe what these bicycles are pulling. What looks like an ordinary trailer suddenly unfolds into a cozy tiny home with bed, storage, and even solar power. From ingenious DIY builds to professionally engineered mobile cabins, these incredible bike campers are changing outdoor adventure forever. Make sure you stay until number 1, because it's the smartest bicycle camper ever created. Number 10. Travel Bike Camper by Maxime Derache. The Travel Bike Camper by Maxime Derache aims at combining practicality and comfort of a little caravan with the movement of a bike. Body style is based on a teardrop shape to ensure it is light on its feet and to reduce road drag. On the interior is enough space to comfortably sleep after a long day on the bike and clever storage pockets that utilize every inch of space. The two-wheel layout provides better stability, and overnight sleeping is easy with its ventilation, lighting, and practical folding sleeping platform. It's particularly suitable for electric bikes that can tow up on the major distance. If you dream of multi-day cycling trips but avoid building a tent camp every night, this camper provides an outstanding compromise in travelability and comfort. Number 9. Wide Path Camper. The Wide Path Camper has become one of the best-known bicycle campers thanks to its remarkable transforming design. It is narrow enough to be towed behind a bicycle when traveling on a bicycle. The shell unfolds into a remarkably spacious microcabin once you're done with parking, with seating, a dining table, and sleeping spaces for 2 people. It is constructed in a rigid manner that also provides a high degree of protection against the elements, which can make it appealing to riders who are interested in long tours. With its clever foldable design, the interior is surprisingly spacious and functional, although its weight means steep climbs can still be challenging. Number 8. Hupi Solar E-Bike Camper. The Hupi Solar Camper is a new innovation that includes renewable energy and bicycle touring. The insulated aluminium body contains a small volume area with a sleeping platform, storage, and a mini workspace for daily activities. A solar panel system is installed on the roof, allowing the electronics to be charged and supplementing the power storage of the e-bike during long journeys. That renders it particularly convenient for people exploring far-off areas where electrical power and outlets may be hard to obtain. Instead of relying entirely on campsites, the camper encourages greater independence while keeping equipment organized and protected throughout the journey. Number 7. Wandering Home 2 by Kacey Wong. Unlike most entries on this list, Wandering Home 2 focuses less on commercial camping and more on creative design. Built around a tricycle platform, this mobile shelter explores how personal transportation and temporary housing can exist within one compact structure. The interior features sleeping spaces, helpful storage areas, and a practical work surface. Keep essentials powered off the grid with a sizable battery and rooftop solar panel. Each inch maximizes space saving and comfort. It's versatile for serious long-distance travel, yet it's very compact. The Gocamp showcases what a basic bicycle can do when designed intelligently to act like a tiny home. It's a glimpse at the future of sustainable bike travel. Number 6. Gocamp by Flevobike. The Gocamp demonstrates how electric cargo bikes can become complete touring machines. Built on a recumbent-style cargo bike, the Gocamp is unlike anything else on the road. Its modular camper unfolds into a cozy shelter in just minutes. Inside, you'll find sleeping areas, useful storage compartments, and a compact work surface. A large battery and rooftop solar panel keep your essentials powered off the grid. Every inch is designed to save space without sacrificing comfort. Despite its compact size, it's built for serious long-distance adventures. The Gocamp proves that smart design can turn a simple bicycle into a capable tiny home. It's a glimpse at the future of sustainable bike travel. Number 5. Bicycle Caravan by Gentleman Style. Gentleman Style's bicycle caravan combines beauty with utility. It has a beautiful teardrop shape at first glance, but there is much more underneath the pretty facade. Low weight helps you tow it for longer distances without any hassle. Step inside and you'll find all the comfort and convenience of a cozy nest, along with clever storage spaces and a fully functional layout ready in a matter of seconds. This low-drag design ensures better performance and makes every ride smoother and more efficient. All details are thoughtfully planned for comfort and usability. This is simple, lightweight, and beautifully made basic bike camping gear for unforgettable and amazing bike camping trips. Number 4. Shiwagin Bike Trailer Tent. Not every bike camper needs to be expensive. The Shiwagin bike trailer tent is a versatile, elevated pop-up tent that is both functional and easy to use. Trailer unfolds into raised sleeping platform once at camp to shield occupants from damp ground, rocks, and insects. The window features a mesh cover for enhanced venting, and the whole enclosure is waterproof to keep the elements at bay. It's easy to carry, which makes it a great option for people who aren't planning to bring along a heavy backpack tent when riding solo. It is a simple design that is easy to master for novice riders, but also powerful enough for individuals who are experienced. Number 3. DIY Bicycle Caravan by Jörg Skowronek. The most amazing campers can be made in a home workshop, not a factory. Jörg Skowronek is proof of how inventive an independent bicycle builder can be. The camper is designed and built largely from lightweight materials to provide a comfortable sleeping area and storage for touring gear. The philosophy makes this project special. Instead of relying on costly commercial products, it offers people the opportunity to build their own mobile personal shelter with readily available materials and simple construction skills. It embodies the essence of creativity, independence, and exploration of bicycle touring. Number 2. Velocamper by Uli Roll. The Velocamper offers an example of what can be accomplished by smart design on an extremely compact bicycle trailer. Its smallness does not inhibit living space accommodating, a place for goods, ventilation, and a small food preparation area arranged with remarkable efficiency. Its lightweight composite body allows it to be towed with ease, but is strong enough for long trips. The interior oozes the feel of a miniature caravan with attention to detail throughout the build. For riders who enjoy DIY innovation combined with premium craftsmanship, the Velocamper stands among the most polished bicycle camper concepts ever created. Number 1. Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper. Taking the top position is the Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper. This compact trailer quickly folds up and down, allowing an easy-to-use shelter which accommodates a sleeping deck, an organized storage space, and a canopy, which creates a welcoming outdoor seating area. Efficient layout allows for the best use of mostly limited space, and its modular design will permit use on both touring bicycles as well as in numerous modern e-bikes. The Scout has been engineered to highlight its major attributes for a long-haul ride: quick setup, valuable protection, lightweight, and very practical day-to-day. It perfectly represents how far bicycle camping has evolved, proving that incredible adventures no longer require bulky motorhomes or expensive caravans. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insane tech videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.